It's all so crazy. But on some level, I'm starting to understand. No, it's awful. Really, like Jerry fucking Springer insane. I just keep thinking of all the stories. How Dad couldn't stay in the dorms, or walk in the yard after sundown. How Daddy wasn't allowed to make his valedictorian speech or do his residency in Boston. How he got his ass kicked when those guys thought Mom was white. Wouldn't all that make you crazy? Wouldn't that make you want to stake your claim on anything you can put your hands on? Shit, he can't even play golf where his colleagues do. And why doesn't he play golf, do you suppose? Here's the thing. All my life, all these years, I've been running up under you two. Hating myself because I have no desire to kill deer or climb mountain or grade pussy. Dad taught us both that there was something wrong with me because of that. And I believed him. I'm 15 and all I want, just like any other 15-year-old boy, is to have a cute girl like me. Maybe get to second base. And I'm thinking I can't because I got some sort of, I don't know, testosterone deficiency. My daddy made me think that. Why? Because I give a shit about people? Because I don't put myself first? Because I hear what women say and actually like them for it? I admire the hell out of you, Flip. You're the man. I just want you to think the same about me. Save it. It doesn't matter. It really don't. Daddy doesn't like me because he doesn't like himself. But it doesn't matter. That's his cross. I'm done.